I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie. You can put your 5 a day in there. I've got strawberries, grapes, apple, orange, banana, or you can put any fruit you like. It doesn't have to be 5 fruits. You can have 2 apples and an orange, or whatever you like. I've got cranberry juice. I'm going to put it all together and show you how to make a smoothie. First, I'll chop my banana. And this is what I use. I've got the Ninja, but you can have a food processor, a food mixer, anything you like, it still does the same job. So there's my banana ring. I've washed everything. Strawberries, chop them up a little bit. And I'm also going to put some goji berries in, also known as wolf berries. I have them in my cereal, in my porridge, yogurt. They're full of vitamins. Really, really good. Banana, strawberry, and our oranges in there. Put a few grapes in. So I think we'll put all of them in. We'll have them in there. And then put our apple. There we go. So I think that's lovely, just enough. Then we're going to add cranberry. And I usually put about 400, which is 10 ounces in there. There we go. Just going to wash my hands. Then I add some goji berries. Yeah. I use a tablespoon, and that's just enough. Okay. Put the lid on. There you go. Ready? Lot. Right, we're ready. There you go. A lovely smoothie. I'm going to put it in the fridge for later. But yesterday I made a smoothie. I made some ice lollies. So it's another way to get your goodness out your fruit. There you go. Penguin. There you go. Smoothie and ice lollies out of fruit. Lovely. Enjoy.